Minsan takot tayong magkamali kahit wala namang punishment. We overthink, we hesitate, and keep asking ourselves, what if I fail? Kaya tuloy, may mga opportunities na hindi natin sinusubukan, decisions na pinapatagal, at ideas na nananatili lang sa isip dahil takot tayong sumablay. Pero isipin mo ito, mistakes are part of learning. Kapag natatakot kang magkamali, parang pinipili mong manatili sa familiar kaysa matutong gumawa ng something new. Sa work, sa relationships, even sa simple decisions every day, hindi naman kailangang perfect agad. Sometimes, you simply need to take the next right step. Ang mahalaga, kapag nagkamali ka, learn from it, correct what you can, and move forward. Hindi lahat ng mistake ay disaster. Some mistakes simply show you what needs to change. So today, ask yourself, am I avoiding this because it is wrong or because I am afraid to be wrong? Minsan, kailangan lang nating bigyan ang sarili natin ng permission to learn along the way. Ayos?